Okay, so I got to recreate that hook that I broke. And so I got 2 hooks rated at 6,600 pounds. So because there's 2 of them, that'll mean that I have a 13,200 pound rating. Anyways, I got to get the yellow zinc off where I'm going to weld, because that stuff will kill you in a heartbeat. So I'm going to clean up all around these giblets, interlace them like that other one that I built was, so that they're like such. Weld all the way around. No, this is not recommended for you to do at home because it's dangerous, but I'm not at home, I'm in a shop, so it should be good. I got that gold zinc ground off, probably not as far away as I should have, but it is. Now, if we look at it from this side, you can see there's a little bit of bow, so I need to space one of these up to get it straight. Probably 1/4 of an inch, or doing both 1/8 of an inch, based off whichever material I have. And then we'll stick weld it with the Power MIG MP210 by Lincoln Electric. 3/32, 7018. Probably 1/8 inch would be better, but this is what I have loaded up, so this is what I'm going to run. Pretty big gap, so just bit burning it in there. Really hot. Second pass I did it, all the gaps that I missed. Whew. She's smoky. Rotating it around and go back the other direction now. One full electrode gone. So that first pass, there's 2 holes on this side that I just burned right through. I turned the welder down about 5 amps, but you can see for the most part I have super good adhesion. This first side where these were a little cooler, I didn't burn through quite so much. It's really hot to touch still, by the way. But yeah, I'm going to go over it probably 2 more times on each side, get all the holes filled in, and it should be pretty dang smooth all the way across after 2 more passes. If I was running 1/8 inch electrode, I'd only have to do 1 more pass, but I'm running 3/32. Pass number 3. gonna be freaking hot, but that's before I chip the slag off. I'm gonna go let it cool outside in the nice winter air and bring it back in and chip the slag off and wire wheel it for you.